what's up everybody? Sami here.
And Sami.
Today we are comparing the max zoom for all these six flagships.
So first we will start with Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So let's do.
Okay, let's zoom on that board guy. Okay, this guy.
Oh, the image is very clear, even 120 times.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
What do you think, Sami?
You see the text? Of course, take a picture. It takes a very short moment to process, and then give you a really good result. You can see the Chinese characters here. I can read every character. Wow!
And even the face details, I think it's really there, right?
Yeah. I can even see the hair. Okay.
Yeah.
It doesn't have hair.
Do you think the other phones will be better than this one?
Okay, let's try the OPPO X7 Ultra.
Let's maximum zoom.
Has 20.
Let's find the bold guy.
Yeah, it seems a little bit too grainy, right? Too soft.
Yeah, a lot of
some
grain.
Noise. Lots of noise.
A lot of noise.
But let's take one now.
At least in the screen is not very clear. Let's see after process.
Okay.
Wow.
That's really long. Okay, let's check the results. Not as sharp, as clear as the Xiaomi 14 Ultra.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's okay. I can read the text. Chinese characters very clear as well. Okay, now.
So let's try the other ones.
Let's try the Sumsung S24 Ultra.
100 times zoom. Bold guy. So the image quality is also not very good. What do you think?
I think currently is the worst because you can check the text.
Yeah.
Beside this guy, I cannot read clear.
Yeah, and even the eyes, we cannot see the white part.
Yeah.
A lot of detail is missing there.
Yes.
And this is 100 times zoom.
Yeah.
But definitely, until now, Xiaomi 14 Ultra
had the best.
has the best. So let's try the other one.
Now about the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, the hottest right now, right?
Let's
go.
you know, this one later we will have one test because this can make a lot of shots very quickly and very sharp.
Yeah.
But the zoom, we don't know, right?
Yeah, let's just try the zoom first.
Yeah, I think just looking at the screen is the worst one.
Yeah, lots of noise, shaky.
Yeah,
and
cannot even see very clear, so let's...
Wow, but the final result seems not that bad.
Yeah.
You can see the AI processed, you know.
I think it's very impressive for what kind of image quality we could see on the screen.
Yeah.
It's not the best one, but also not the worst one.
The last one is the iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Yeah.
Only supposed 25 times max zoom. Let's check out.
Yeah, I think it's not even a competition because this is just 25 zoom, but let's do it. Yeah, I think we can see very clear because this is just 25. But I don't think the 25 is as good as the other phones if we compare 25 with 25, right?
Yeah.
Even the letters in 25 is not very clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, so iPhone for zoom maybe is no.
The worst.
Yeah.
Maybe the worst. I mean the zoom, okay, the max zoom.
Yeah, of course, if we want to test the other specifications, maybe iPhone will win, but zoom?
No, the worst, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. And but yeah, do you record using the max zoom anyway?
Yeah, please leave in the comments because even though this kind of phones have this very crazy zoom, I feel most of the people don't use them. And at least for me, I will use them when I want to read some information that I cannot see with my own eyes, and that's how I use my zoom.
Yeah, that's true.
And you?
So, me, maybe the only way is I want to say girls in the distance.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so that's the video.
Yeah. Please leave in the comments what do you think about this. And if you want to know more information about any of these phones, please leave in the comments.
Yeah, and please subscribe to Sami's channel
and Sami.
my channel.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.